Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making lemon posset. We're going to need lemons, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and also 1/2 tablespoon of lemon zest. Okay guys, make sure that you wash off your lemons good. So now all I'm going to do is go ahead and zest 1 lemon. Okay guys, once you zested your lemon, we're just going to go ahead and cut our other lemons into half. Once you have your lemons cut into half, all we're going to do is take a spoon and we're just going to press down and scoop out the flesh. Okay guys, the lemon should look like that after you take the inside out. We're going to do that for each of them. Okay guys, once you're done scooping out your lemons, we're going to go ahead and cut it into pieces now. Okay, once your lemon is cut, we're going to go ahead and put the pieces into a strainer. Okay guys, over a bowl and in the strainer, all you want to do is press down your lemon pieces until you get all the juice out. Remember, you want 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. Okay, next I'm going to put my sugar into a bowl and I'm going to add my lemon zest. And all I'm going to do is mix that until it's well combined. Okay guys, all I did was add my sugar and lemon zest to the heavy whipping cream. Now that it's melted, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to add my lemon juice and also my vanilla extract, and I'm going to mix it until well combined. Okay guys, now we're going to take our lemon mixture and we're going to put it through a strainer over a bowl. Once it goes through the strainer, we can now go ahead and fill our lemon shells. Okay guys, we can now go ahead and fill them. Once your lemon shells are filled, we're going to put them in our refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Okay guys, so our lemon posset is done. And as you can see, it's set nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. As you can see, it's like a pudding. That tastes really good. If you're a lover of lemon, you'll love this dessert. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.